Hello everybody, get ready to do lesson 9.5 part 1 homework for pre-algebra math. And on our homework sheet today, got 97 points on your homework sheet. Students, put your name, date, period on your homework sheet. Due date here for onliners and homeschoolers. And we go right into page 1, copy and complete. To find the length of a segment in the coordinate plane, you can use the blank formula. So put your what kind of formula there. Point M is the midpoint of line segment AB. How are AM and MB related? And put your response in here. And then down here, use this coordinate grid for 3 and 4 and 5. Find the length of PQ. Find the midpoint of segment PQ. And 5, find the slope of the line through P and Q. So you got those 3 things to do for P and Q. And then 6 here, error analysis. Describe and correct the error in finding the midpoint of the segment. Here, what is the error here, and describe it in a full sentence or sentences. And then down here for 7 and 8. Find the distance between the points here. Find the distance between A and B and C. Write your answer in simplest form. And you got 13 points here, page 2. Page 3, C and D, points C and D and A and C. Find those distances. And then find the distance between all these points here. You got 20 points here for page 3. Page 4, find the midpoint of segment EF and segment GH. From this diagram here, and then find the slope of the line through the given points, P and Q, Q and R, R and S, and P and S. That all comes from up here. So you got to find slope, and then you got to find a midpoint with these with this diagram. 12 points here, page 4. Page 5, find the midpoint of the segment with these given endpoints. So find the midpoint of all these segments here. 18 points for page 5. Page 6, find the slope of the line through these given points here. Do your work here and give the slope between these given points. And then maps. You got a map here. This is a map. And this is stadium over here. And then this is museum, I think it's museum over here. Museum over here. And then this is x equals 9, so that would be x equals 9 there. A, show that the civic center here is halfway between the hospital and the stadium. So stadium, hospital, show that it is with your work here. 10 points, page 6, and then page 7 for line segment at AB with midpoint M. M equals these coordinates. Determine the coordinates of point B and do all these here. You got 12 points here on page 7. And that is 9.5 part 1 homework pre-algebra math. Animated PowerPoint math video, AOL.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.